What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. As per the title and thumbnail, you already see we are doing another shoe unboxing, and I'm actually really excited for this unboxing because it's one of those other shoes that had dropped years and years ago where I wasn't able to get my hands on. And it's actually crazy because these shoes are actually sitting on shelves. Like, what? We're just gonna get straight into the unboxing. So as you can see, these are the Toro Jordan 5s. Toro Jordan 4s, goodness. I did get a grade school size in these. I got a 7Y. I usually go for the 8 or 7.5s men's, but for this one, I went for the 7Y only because I got the early access for the 7Y, which I really didn't even need because they're still sitting and I could have got this. Let's get straight into the unboxing. It's none of these. I wonder if these are like the new boxes because I think the Jordan 14s came in this box too. Really cool box. Size tag. Nothing fancy on this side. Nothing fancy on this side. Let's get into it. I love red. Red is my favorite color. Can never go wrong with a red shoe. I also was hearing that, I hope these are not ashy, because I was hearing some pairs were ashy. I don't think mine's ashy pair. These are clean though. Could be a little, it might be a little ashy, but this is clean. Whoo-wee. Sheesh. Let me know what you guys think down below. Were you guys feeling the Toro Jordan 5s? I don't know why I keep saying 5s. Fire me. Fire me already. Were you guys excited to see the Jordan Toro 4s? Goodness. Apparently I need a 5 to come out now. These are clean. I gotta make a fit for these now. Ooh, it comes with the tag. Each pair is unique. They don't put that on there for anyone that looks ashy, I'm guessing. Really clean pair. My gosh. I feel like shoes always look better in person. Air Jordan tag on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see the inside insole. Super clean though. Can't wait to put a fit together with this. I have something in mind, but I also have something that I want to make and create too. So something custom, you know? You guys gotta let me know what you guys think of this pair. Did you guys cop? Did you guys drop? What are your thoughts? I'm not seeing too many drops that I really want. Another cool one I think that is coming out July 1st is the Iced Carmines, which is like this pink and cream color. I don't have pink shoes at all, so I think that would be a really good pair to have. However, if I don't get it, I won't be mad if I didn't get it. Other than that, I'm not really seeing anything that I personally would grab as a need. Like some green and white 12s coming out later this year. It's fire. But again, I don't need or wouldn't like, oh my God, gotta have. But other than that, I'm not really seeing anything that I would, you know, need to have. Sometimes they do, you know, kind of shock release some things that I'm like, yeah, I'll grab those. But let me know what you guys think of this pair. Did you guys cop? Did you guys drop? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, stay tuned, stay positive, and of course, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.